little bit about translation from English into Bahasa Indonesia or Indonesian language. We choose only the translation of to be and auxiliary have, has, and had. Okay, so we start from the translation of to be first. Okay, the to be is or was were. Sometimes we translate into ada, berada, or adalah in statement, but in negative sentence we translate is not, am not, are not, was not, were not into bukan. And if is, am, are, was, were in front of the sentence means that there is a question, we translate apakah. Okay, so the first one in the statement. So I make here 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 using to be, and 1 using have, has, had. Okay, yeah. Number 1. I am a teacher. Saya adalah seorang guru. So, yeah. The to be is, am, are, was, were we translate into adalah if in front of the to be is a noun, yeah. So if in front of the to be is a noun, yeah. So if we use a sentence using non-verb and especially for a noun, so we translate is, am, are, was, were into adalah. Dia seorang perawat. She is a nurse. Ya. Kamu adalah temanku. You are my friend. Okay. So if we find after the to be, if we find after to be is followed by a noun, so we translate into adalah. Okay. The second one. They were here yesterday. They were here yesterday. Look at this. Here is adverb of time. So if we use adverb of place, yeah. So we translate into berada. Okay. So this is for noun. This is for adverb of place. For example, the second example. She was at home last night. Dia berada di rumah tadi malam. Saya berada di sini sekarang. I am here now. So if in front of the to be we find adverb of place, so we translate the to be into berada. Okay, ada and berada is the same, yeah. So ada and berada is the same. Ada is the shortened from berada, so it's similar. Okay, if you find ada and berada, they have similar meaning, yeah. Okay. The third, Marisa is beautiful. Okay, sometimes the to be is not translated. It's not translated if we found here adjective. Dia ganteng. He is handsome. So we omit the translation of the to be. So we don't translate the to be if in front of the to be or the to be is followed by adjective. Yeah. Mereka pintar. They are smart. Yeah. Saya pendek. I am short. So if we find after to be, if we find adjective, so we don't translate the to be into Bahasa Indonesia. Number 4, we have received balik 3 times. So have, has, had means we use auxiliary have, has, had in perfect sentences, in perfect tenses. Have and has is used. They are used for present perfect, and had is used for past perfect. But those 3 words is translated into telah or sudah. They have similar meaning, telah or sudah. And then in negative we use only belum, have not, has not, had not. We translate into belum. But if we find have, has, had in front of the sentence, means that there is a question, so we translate into sudahkah. Okay, so I make you as an example. We have visited Bali 3 times. So have here we translate into telah or sudah. Okay, kami telah mengunjungi Bali 3 kali, or kami sudah mengunjungi Bali 3 kali. Okay, so number 1, this is I make an example for is not is negative sentence, and or because this is put in front of the sentence, this is a question. So this is auxiliary has plus not, this is negative also, and this is have in front of the sentence means a question. Okay, yeah. She is not my teacher. She is not my teacher. Dia bukan guruku. So to be plus not, if we use for noun, so we translate into bukan. Okay, yeah. Are you new student means that if we see the to be in front of the sentence in English, so it means a question. So we translate only into apakah. Okay, apakah. Is she your friend? Apakah dia temanmu? Are they your classmates? Apakah mereka teman sekelasmu? So apakah. So all the to be, if they are put in front of the sentence, means that they are questions. So we translate it into apakah. So if we use have, has, had plus not means in negative, so we translate into belum. Yeah. But if have, has, had, they are put in front of the sentences, means that they are questions. So we translate into sudahkah. Okay. So remember is or. In statement, we translate into ada or berada or adalah. Ada and berada is the same. Yeah. We translate into adalah if the to be is followed by noun, a teacher, a man, yeah, a girl, a nurse, and etc. We translate into ada or berada if the to be is followed by adverb or place. And we translate into bukan if the to be is followed by not, meaning that is negative sentences. If we see the to be in front of the sentence, means that they are questions. So we translate the to be into apakah. Have, has, had. In the statement, we translate into telah or sudah. In negative, have not, has not, had not is translated into belum. But in interrogative sentences, we translate have, has, had into sudahkah. Okay, I do hope this topic will be useful for you to add your knowledge about Bahasa Indonesia or Indonesian language. Thank you.